Brockville's historic railway tunnel, the first in Canada, was officially reopened on Saturday during a parade and ceremony held in front of the tunnel. Thousands gathered on top and around the tunnel's southern portal to watch the official ceremonies and be among the first to officially walk through it.
Our federal member of parliament, Gord Brown. Our provincial member of parliament.
2, 1. There you go. Hey!
The reopening ceremony was a highlight of the 4-day Rails to Trails Festival celebrating Canada's 150th birthday, held in downtown Brockville. It started off with a parade which followed the original route of the parade that was held in 1854 to lay the cornerstone of the tunnel. The ceremony featured speeches from local dignitaries, some entertainment including a comedy routine by Brockville's own A.J. Benoit, and a ceremony by members of the Masonic Lodge who blessed a plaque marking the official reopening of the tunnel. Masons were on hand during the original ceremony in 1854 when the cornerstone of the tunnel was first laid.
Now, your work on this tunnel compels admiration and delight, and it will be admired for generations to come. This work will help us all see and appreciate our pioneer railroaders in a whole new light as we continue to lay the foundations of one great country. Many accolades, Brockville, on a job well done.
There are 3 pillars to this project. The first is the Railway Tunnel Committee and the volunteers who have spearheaded the project over the past 6 years. They've spent thousands of hours in special meetings, three engineering studies, a market assessment study, council meetings, and so on.
It's something that you are going to remember, and you're going to go through it day after day, and you're going to tell people about it. And the biggest thing about this is how it happened. Because this is really the story. Those people you just saw lined up here, they're going to remember that experience for the rest of their lives. Struggling, trying to get funding, trying to get okays from council, trying to get engineering studies done.
They did.
Yeah, you sure about that?
Yeah, and you know what else they gave me?
I don't want to hear.
Yeah. Well, they gave me a ticket for a trip around the world. I gotta tell you, you gotta see it out there. It's lovely. You should hear about all the places that I've been to. The railway tunnel. It's the oldest railway tunnel in the land. It's in Brockville, don't you know? Here on old Ontario. It was built some 150 years ago.
The last part of the ceremony on Saturday saw the City Pipe Band Brockville Infantry Company lead the first crowd of people through the newly opened tunnel. By late Saturday, it was estimated that some 11,000 people walked through the tunnel during the day. The tunnel is now open to the public free of charge from dawn to dusk. The Tunnel Committee will be taking a much needed rest, but then will be concentrating on Phase 2 of the project, the Railway Tunnel Park, expected to be built just northwest of the tunnel behind the Tim Hortons location. As well, the tunnel in the North Gorge area will eventually connect to the Brock Trail under the CN main line. For Hometown TV 12 News, Dale Elliott in Brockville.